Hello guys, thanks a lot for everything, and I'm pretty sure you have liked the video, you have subscribed the channel, and you have shared it with your friends also, and thanks a lot for the huge love and support. So let's see quick revision of the bones, right? So we can see this whole skeletal system. So when we talk about the skeletal system, we know that we have in adult skeletal system we have 206 bone, right? So if we talk about skeletal system in adult, we are having 206 bones that you have to remember. And yes, skeletal system divided into two parts. One is axial, which is having 80 bones, and obviously appendicular. So now what is the difference? Appendicular skeletal, which is having 126 bones. So obviously this central part having cranium, having face, having this vertebral column, this sternum, this ribs. So all of these are the part of axial skeleton. And obviously pectoral girdle where forelimbs are attached. So pectoral girdle, forelimbs are the part of the appendicular, which is arising or attached to the axial part, right? And our hip girdles, and obviously these limbs are the part of appendicular, right? So these are portion which are basically part of appendicular skeleton. Rest all this portion from the axial part. So let's discuss about the axial part and let's see all the bones, right? So when we talk about axial skeleton, total 80 bone. Out of that, obviously it is having the cranium. Sorry, it is having the skull. So let's start with the skull first, right? So out of the 80, let's start with the skull. So skull have this 29 bones. So obviously 29 bones, out of that cranium is 8. Cranium having 8 bones, which is the brain box. We are having the facial bone. So facial bone is total 14. We are having hyoid basically present at the base of buccal cavity to support tongue, and it is the single bone there, right? And which are next we are having ear ossicles, that is the bones that is present in our ears, help in the amplification of sound. 3 in this ear, 3 in this ear, right? So cranium, further cranium bone, if we talk about this skull, right? A skull having this brain box cranium, so it is having 2 paired and unpaired bone, right? 4 unpaired. So 4 unpaired means 4 ही हो गए and 2 paired means 4. So total 8. Which are unpaired? तो बचा yes. Parietal is unpaired and sorry, parietal is paired and temporal bone is paired. Parietal and temporal is near the ear. ये वाला part, right? And if we talk about unpaired, so we are having frontal, this part. We are having sphenoid, right, which is present here at the base of this particular cranium. And we are having occipital, which is the posterior part of the cranium, occipital portion, and we are having the ethmoid part, right? So all of these are unpaired, right? So you can learn the cranium bone with the mnemonic step of 8. So these are 8. S for sphenoid, T for temporal, E for ethmoid, P for parietal, O for occipital, F for facial, and total they are 8 in number. So this is the short way to learn it, right? When we talk about the facial bone in the skull, so obviously bacha, we are having the 14 facial bone. So let's see about the facial bone. So obviously 2 are unpaired, rest all of them are paired. So 2 unpaired and obviously 6 paired. 6 paired means total 12 and 2 14. So total we have 14 facial bone, right? Unpaired कौन सी होंगी? तो बच्चा unpaired में आ जाता है vomer, which form this bridge of the nose. Then we are having mandible, lower jaw, right? So mandible and the vomer is basically unpaired. When we talk about the paired, we are having nasal bone. We are having this lacrimal bone present here, right? Nasal bone from this part. So obviously lacrimal bone. We are having zygomatic arch, prominence of cheek. So when we smile, we have blush, right? So that is basically zygomatic bone. So we are having this zygomatic bone, which are the cheek prominence. We are having maxillae. Maxillae is upper jaw, है ना? We are having this inferior nasal conchae. Inferior nasal conchae from the base of nose. nasal conchae, and palate. Palate form the floor of the mouth and base of nose, separate nasal cavity with the buccal cavity. We have palate. So all of these are paired and these two are unpaired. That you have to remember. This is the facial bone, right? Hyoid, I have told you that hyoid is basically support tongue present at the base of buccal cavity, and it is single and only bone that is, this is the only bone that is not connected with any other bone of the body, right? So not connected with any other bone of the body, not articulated with any other bone. So this is the beautiful point of it, right? So each ear have ossicle, that is the malleus. One malleus here, one malleus here. We are having incus and we are having stapes, right? Stapes. So we are having all the malleus here, stapes here, incus here in our ear. That you have to remember. That's all. We have completed 29 bones here. Rest axial bone also have this one sternum. Sternum is thigh bone, right? So one sternum, it is having 12 pairs ribs, means total 24 ribs. And yes, it is having vertebral column. So it is having vertebral column which are 26 in number, right? So obviously it become now 80. 29 is this, and obviously these are 20, 40, 51, right? So these are 51 bones and obviously 29 we have discussed. So total 80 bones is done, right? Sternum is the thigh bone, breastbone, thigh bone with support ribs, obviously, right? Then we are having ribs which are 24, means 12 pairs. So obviously it is of three types. One is known as true ribs, which are attached with the, from the back side it is attached with the vertebral column, and from ventral side obviously it is attached with the sternum, right? So that's why we called it vertebrosternal ribs, right? And obviously there are 7 pairs. These are 7 pairs. Then obviously 8, 9, 10 pairs are false ribs because they are attached from the vertebral column, and ventrally they are attached with the 7th pair rib, not attached directly with the sternum. That's why we call them vertebrochondral, right? So vertebro means vertebral column, chondral means with help of cartilage. These ribs are attached, right? Vertebrochondral ribs, and obviously 8, 9 and 10 pairs. These are false ribs. Then we are having the floating ribs, right? So floating ribs 11th and 12th hai. So floating ribs are 11th and 11 and 12 pairs that you have to remember. So these are the floating ribs that you have to remember, and obviously we called it vertebral ribs, right? So why we call them floating ribs? Because they are attached with the vertebral column from the dorsal side. Ventrally they are not attached with anything, they are floating from the ventral side. So 11th and 12th pairs are floating ribs, right? When we talk about the vertebral column, so bacha, we are having this vertebral column have types. So let me write it down here. So first type is cervical, and cervical vertebrae present in our neck region, and obviously these are 7 in number. And which are, yes, first cervical vertebrae known as atlas, which is connected with our skull, and second bone of this cervical skull is known as axis, and atlas axis basically connected with each other. These are first and second cervical vertebrae. Second type vertebrae is thoracic, because it is present in this region below the neck, in the thoracic region. So thoracic vertebrae, these are 12 in number. And then we are having lumbar vertebrae, and which are these vertebrae are basically 5 in number. Then we are having this sacral are fused in basically in children, they in fetus or in embryonic stage they are having the 5 sacral, but in our case it is fused, right? So they are having only 1 sacral bone. And coccygeal also, coccygeal is tailbone, also in us it is fused in like embryonic stage they are having the 4 or 5 coccygeal bone, but we are having only 1 fused form mein, right? So these are total 26 bones. So now we have completed our whole axial bone, right? So that you have to remember. Cervical 7 a.m. you do breakfast, And then you have this thoracic vertebrae. 12 p.m. per you are having lunch, 5 में evening snack, and then 1 So this way you can learn it, right? बच्चा next है appendicular, and obviously I have told you that appendicular, if we talk about this appendicular skeleton, they are having basically 126 bones. कौन सी हैं? So we know they are having this girdles and limbs, right? So girdles means जहाँ से हमारे limbs attached होंगे, and obviously we are having limbs. So if we talk about girdles, so we are having this pelvic girdles and we are having this pectoral girdles. Pectoral girdles 4 in number, that is ये जो triangular bone होती है ना दो, so that is known as scapula. So 2 scapula and obviously 2 clavicle. Clavicle is collarbone, right? So 2 clavicle. So total 4 pectoral, and it is attached with our 4 limbs. तो यहाँ पर we are having the 4 limbs. और 4 limbs में each 4 limb, each hand, each arm, we are having the total the 30 plus 30 bones, right? So that we would see, and obviously we are hind limbs means lower limbs, right? That is also having 30 in one hind limb, 30 bones in another hind limb, 30 30. तो total 60 हो गए, 60 हो गए 124, and pelvic bones having the two hip bones, right? It is made up of 2 hip bones, or yes. And these hip bone, each hip bone is made up of fusion of 3 bone, that is basically ilium, ischium and pubis, right? So each hip bone made up of fusion of 3 bones. Fusion of 3 bones, and what are those? Ilium, ischium and pubis. That's all, right? If we talk about the 4 limbs, है ना, तो जो हमारे pectoral girdle के साथ attached होते हैं, right? तो बच्चा 4 limbs में क्या क्या आता है? Obviously we are having humerus. Each limb have 1 humerus, एक इसमें, right? तो you can multiply by 2 बाद में, right? So radius, we have 1 radius. We are having 1 ulna, ये radius ulna इधर. We are having metacarpal. Metacarpal is wrist bone, 5. We are having carpal. Carpal is palm bone, right? So we are having 8, and phalanges is our finger. Phalanges, we are having 14 bones. So obviously if we see the phalangeal formula, 2 here, 3, 3, 3 in each of the finger. So 2 bones in thumb and 3 in each finger. If we talk about the hind limb, so this is all about the 4 limb. So 30 bone hai ye plus 30, right? So 30 in one hand, 30 in another hand, right? And which if we talk about hind limb, so obviously we are having this femur. Femur is thigh bone, right? Which is 1 in number. Tibia. Then we are having this fibula. Fibula is very thin bone, right? Fragile bone. We are having this kneecap, which is known as patella. It is 1 in number. We are having tarsal. Tarsal is basically ankle part, having 7 bone. Metatarsal is that sole part, right? हमारा feet वाला part. So metatarsal is basically 5 in number, and then we are having phalanges, 14 in number, right? So obviously 14, they are having the same formula, 2 toe and 3, 3, 3 in each finger, right? So that is the formula of phalanges. That's all. So bacha, that's all. You have to remember the limbs this way, and obviously 30 in each limb. So 60 ye ho gaye. 60 4 limb, total 120, 4 pectoral girdle, 2 scapula and 2 collarbones clavicle. Pelvic bone is hip bone, 2 hip bone, and each hip bone made up of fusion of 3 bones, ilium, ischium and pubis, that you have to remember. And obviously we are having this vertebral column, which are total 26 in number: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, coccygeal. Sternum, which is the thigh bone, and this thigh bone single. Ribs, you know what is the ribs. So obviously it basically protect our lungs, our heart, our kidney. Floating ribs also protect our kidney. Facial bone 14, 2 unpaired, 2 6 paired. So you have to remember names also. And yes, skull 29, step of 8. You have to remember about the cranium. Facial, hired, ear, ossicle. So we have discussed all the things. So total 80 bone axial, 126 appendicular. That's all. So bacha, I hope you like the video. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and I hope you subscribe the channel. All the best, and whatever you want me to do next, please write down in the comment box, and don't forget to write down the comments or feedback in your in the comment box, right? So bye bye bacha, have a great day, enjoy your day now.